In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn $2,000 per month with the ORIGGUARD affiliate program. Step by step, no audience required, no experience needed. Let me break down the math first. We pay 40% commission on every sale. Our flagship product, the CNAPP Cloud Security Pack, sells for $367. That's $147 in your pocket per sale. Our complete builder bundle sells for $500. That's $200 per sale. To hit $2,000 per month, you need 10 sales. That's less than one sale every 3 days. Now here's the tool that makes this easy. We built a free IAC security scanner. No sign up, no install. Your audience pastes their Terraform, CloudFormation, or Kubernetes code and gets their security vulnerabilities in 30 seconds. Watch what happens when I run a basic scan. I paste 20 lines of standard Terraform code. Hit scan. 3 seconds later, 4 critical vulnerabilities. Public S3 bucket, RDS database exposed to the internet, hard-coded password, encryption completely disabled. This is what most DevOps engineers are shipping to production every week, and they don't know it. When your audience runs this scan and sees their own vulnerabilities, they want the fix. That's where your affiliate link comes in. Here's exactly how the system works. Step 1. Apply as an affiliate at blog.origguard.com/affiliates. Takes 2 minutes. No minimum audience required. Step 2. You receive your unique affiliate link, plus the promo code ORIGGUARD10. That gives your audience 10% off at checkout. They save money. You still earn 40% of the discounted price. Step 3. Share the free scanner with your audience. On LinkedIn, on Twitter, in your newsletter, in your YouTube videos. Just say, paste your Terraform and find your misconfigs for free. Step 4. When someone clicks your link and buys, Gumroad automatically splits the payment. Your commission hits your account, paid every 2 weeks. No invoicing, no chasing payments. Now let me show you the 90-day roadmap to $2,000 per month. Month 1, focus on one platform. LinkedIn works best for this audience. Post 3 times per week about cloud security or AI building. Share the free scanner in every post. Target 5 to 10 affiliate sales. That's $700 to $1,000. Month 2, add a second channel, Twitter, a newsletter, or YouTube. You now have 2 streams sending traffic to your affiliate link. Target 10 to 15 sales. That's $1,500 to $2,000. Month 3, you're at $2,000 per month, consistently, automatically. The products sell themselves because they solve real problems for a high-paying audience. DevOps engineers, cloud consultants, and AI builders. These are professionals who invest in their skills. 7 products, commissions from $60 to $200 per sale, 1 promo code, 1 affiliate link. That's the entire system. Ready to start? Go to blog.origguard.com/affiliates and apply now. It takes 2 minutes. Link is in the description.